Welcome to this lecture on Python implementation of regular expressions. Regular expressions are widely used to do text processing tasks like searching for pattern in the text or finding and replacing the specified text by another text, or it can be used to split the text into words, and then we can also use find all function to find the complete text as per our requirements, as well as it can be used to find the first occurrence of word in the given text. So we'll discuss all these functions with the sample code and output examples in this lecture. Let us now discuss the Python implementation for this regular expression. So first we are importing the library regular RE for regular expression to support the necessary library functions and other built-in constructs. And initially we define the class text processor, and we have init function to initialize the text to the instance member of the class, and then we have a function, user-defined function find underscore pattern. So then this pattern accepts one argument, that is pattern, and we are trying to find this pattern in the given text. Once it finds matches, correct matches, then it returns the result. And then we also have a function to find first occurrence of pattern in the text. So this search function finds the specified pattern in the given text. If the correct match is found, it returns that matching pattern, then otherwise it shows null. And then we have a user-defined function split text. So we pass the delimiter in this particular function. Delimiter can be some comma or any other special character, maybe semicolon or something. So this split function is invoked by all these built-in functions we can see invoked by this regular expression name, which internally creates object and invokes the split functions and other functions that we use here. And the split function, it separates the text into words based on the delimiter, and then returns the results of those splitter words. And then we have a replace function. This particular function will replace the pattern given here by the replacement text or word, and returns the result. The new text, modified text, will be printed as a result. We will now discuss the main function. Once the main function is loaded, initially we assign the text. We want to assign this information: hello, my email ID and my phone number in a particular format. So here I am calling this text processor constructor and initializing the text in the init method. And then we have a calling statement for find patterns user defined function that we discussed in the previous slide. So here, the processor, this variable is used to invoke the find patterns function, and we are specifying the format in which we have the email ID. And the email ID is, it contains text first word something like abc at gmail.com, something like that, right? So abc, for that, we can have uppercase letters, combination of uppercase, lowercase, and some digits. And then we need to add this with the at symbol. After this at symbol, we can have a word that contains a word consisting of some letters a to z or some numbers. And then we have dot operator. After that we have the domain name, that is .com or .in, something like that. For that we have letters A to Z, or it can be either lowercase or uppercase. And this R indicates that the regular expression starts with the specified format, and we have we have to enclose this pattern within the course, within the single quotes, and we have to give this marker, starting marker and end marker, using slash. And once the email ID is found, the function will return the result back to this calling function. We are printing the result, that is the email ID will be printed. Similarly, the phone number, we have to find phone number, and here we are checking the first occurrence of the phone number. The phone number, it is in this format. First we have 3 digits, hyphen, and then 3 digits, then hyphen, 4 digits. So for specifying the digits, we have to use slash d, and then we have to specify how many digits are there. So first we have 3, and then 3, then 4. Once the phone number is found, we will return the first occurrence of it. Then we are printing that the phone number is found. And then the next calling statement, we are calling the split text function, and here the split text function is using the delimiter white space, delimiter as white space. That is the delimiter is specified by slash s plus. So this indicates that we are going to use white space as a delimiter. And then the words, once the text is split into words, we are the function will return the result to this particular function, and we are printing the results. Then the next function, we are replacing all digits with x in the phone number, and for that we use a function, we call the function replace underscore pattern. We specify that the digits are to be replaced by x. So we pass these as parameters, and the modified text will be printed. The text processor class contains attributes and methods to operate on the values of attributes, and this implements encapsulation concept of object-oriented programming to implement text processing task using regular expressions. And here attributes are, we have one attribute text. It is used to store the text to be processed. Then we have methods find pattern to find all occurrence of a pattern in the text. Then find first occurrence to find the first occurrence of phone number in the text. Then split text to split text into words based on the delimiter. We have replacement function, that is to replace a specified pattern by another text, another word. We use this sub function. In this example, we have used a text processor to implement this regular expression concept, and with a sample text we have demonstrated how to find emails, phone numbers, and split words into different parts. And then we have also discussed how to replace digits by specified character. This is the actual output of this program. We have printed the email ID first, and then the phone number. Finding the first occurrence of the phone number, we have printed it. Then words, after splitting the text into words, we have printed it. And then the replace function replaced these numbers, digits in the phone number by x, and then we have printed the modified text. So that's all. In this lecture, we have discussed how to implement text processing using regular expression in Python. And we have implemented object-oriented concepts like class, objects, attributes, methods to implement these regular expressions for text processing. Thank you all.